Workers' compensation, the insurance designed to protect businesses and employees. But as KY3's Jay Schurter found out, it can protect homeowners as well. He joins us live now from the Web Center with the story. Jay?
Well, Lisa, there are more than 100,000 workplace injuries in Missouri every year. You never know how or when it's going to happen, but you can be sure that it's going to go from bad to worse if the employer that doesn't have the workers' compensation insurance.
I think it's the responsible thing to do. It's the right thing to do. It's state law requires that we do it.
Workers' compensation insurance, something required for membership in the Home Builders Association of Greater Springfield. But what about non-members?
The misconception is everyone has insurance, and that's just not the truth in our area.
In some cases, it's deliberate. In other cases, it's accidental.
It's not that the contractor is blatantly disregarding the law, it's that they don't understand the law.
In the construction industry, you must carry workers' compensation insurance if you have one or more employees.
So if you subcontract one thing on this house or a house, you have an employee. They don't have to be a W-2 employee.
It can also include any volunteers or family members who work on the project. The law isn't just about protecting the business and its employees. It's also about protecting the homeowner.
So what happens to you as a homeowner if your builder doesn't have workman's comp insurance? Well, if somebody gets hurt on the job, they can take you to court. Furthermore, the progress on your house can slow down, and in some cases, it can halt altogether.
They thought they were covered if they have an accident, and they're not. And so then it's up to them to pay their own bills, or they would have to sue the contractor or homeowner.
I see no reason why anyone would operate without workers' compensation insurance. If they do, they're in violation of the law, and they're risking their entire career.
So how do you know if the company that you've hired has workers' compensation insurance? Well, the Missouri Department of Labor has an online database that you can go to, and we do have a link to this on our website at KY3.com. But once you get there, there's two different sections: employers' workers' compensation coverage and is employer self-insured by the division. Most likely it's going to be in the first category, and once you click on it, you'll get to this page where you can type in the employer's name. We will go ahead and go with the one that we interviewed today, and then you simply can figure out if you want to know what date maybe they were or weren't covered. But then you simply just search it, and then you'll see right here, there's the company. You click on it and it will tell you who their insurance company is and what their policy number is, so you can see for sure whether or not they are covered. Now, that being said, you're not always going to be able to find every company on here because they are sometimes under a different name, but you can call an 800 number, and you can find this on the Missouri Department of Labor website. It's 1-800-775-2667, and you can call the Missouri Department of Labor and find out if you can't find it on the website.
Roy, checking that out early could save a lot of trouble later. Jay Schurter live for us tonight. Thanks, Jay.